Well, it is part 2 of my Dollar Tree haul with Walmart on this one here. So if you saw, or if you haven't seen part 1, I do chit chat about how I'm trying to do some crafts and do some things around the house using Dollar Tree items that I have been so inspired by these YouTubers who are genius, but who take a Dollar Tree item and convert it into something just amazing, and for so little money. Now, of course, sometimes it does look easy, like my husband says, but how hard is it? I don't know. Anyways, I do have a couple projects that I have in mind. That book back there is actually a big box that my daughter does not want, but it's got a world theme to it. It's a map, and it has like that gold, what is that, gold stripping and things like that. And I want to see if I can decoupage it. I do have all the stuff to be able to do that, and I've been watching how they transform these things with decoupage, and I want to try something a little bit more shabby chic for my room with that. Anyways, let's get on with this haul. Most of this stuff that I'm going to show you will be for projects, okay? Like this here. This is a trellis that I got there at the Dollar Tree, and I have a really good idea for this because a lady used this and she did the most amazing, cute farmhouse design with that. And I have the pail already that I didn't know what to do with, and I have it there, and it's just tucked away in a corner and so pretty. And I'm going to try and recreate something similar. Okay, so I got that. And then for Mother's Day, I have these plaques, and they're just mirror plaques or glass plaques, and it says Happy Mother's Day. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these, and I need 2 more, but if I can't find this exact one, then I will they have other designs, and I will do, like each box or each side will be a different pattern, but it's all related to Mother's Day. So I got that for the project that I'm going to be working with. And then with that are going to be these flowers. Now, not all of these, but I got a bunch of roses. Well, I got these. These are the baby breaths here. I got what I could find. So I got that here. And then I got this rose. Look at these. These are beautiful. I try to really dig out for the better, the bunches that the leaves look good and they weren't missing any and things like that. And then I got this one is a little bit more of an ivory color. And then I got 2 of the pink. Now, the boxes will not be big, so I'm not going to need all of these. But, with the way it's going right now at the Dollar Tree with everybody doing a Mother's Day project, I figured let me just get extra, and you can always use these for other projects. Oh, and I got this one too, which it's not, they're just barely budding, or it looks like they haven't opened up all the way yet. So I got that. Okay. For the project, I needed these. Now, in one of the Dollar Trees, they had the crystal, but the lady that I saw, oh, this one's broken. Oh, no, it's not. That's the way it goes. The lady that I saw, she used pink, and it really looks pretty with pink. And I found them in the last Dollar Tree. I had gone to 3. This is like 3 different Dollar Trees, and I found the pink. So I just got 2 because I'm hoping to make 2 projects for her. And she used pink in both of them, and it looks beautiful. So I got that, and I got the last 2 in terms of the pink, but the white ones they had different. They had more. And they also had a red one. But I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the clear. 4 of the clear. Okay, and then I got this little plaque. It says everything starts with a dream. So I got that. I don't know what I'm going to do with it or where I'm going to put it, but my goodness, they even did DIYs with these. There was all different kinds, but I only found this one. But I got it because I like what it says. Everything starts with a dream. A vision, right? Okay, let's see, what else did I need with... Oh, my flowers are falling. For the project I needed was these crystal ones. But they have, I know they sell all crystals, but they didn't have any at any of the Dollar Trees that I went to. I went to 3, but they did have them in a variety pack, so I'm just gonna pull these out. And I only need 8 of the clear for that project, so I got that. What else did I need for the project? I need some, I think I needed, no, I didn't need this. There's a couple of things that I need to get, but they don't have it, and I'm hoping it's the lid. I need a square mirror. It's the lid to the box. But I also needed one of these coasters that I'll be painting. Actually, I think, yeah, I can paint this. You paint this side black. So I got that for the project, and I needed these paint, so I got that. I also got these Sassy and Chic makeup wedges, and this is to use to paint, and I need it for other projects, not for this one. But you know, you stamp the paint, the acrylic paint, and everybody uses these for that, or DIYers for the Dollar Tree, they use it. Let's see, I'm trying to think what else. The other stuff that are for the project are from Walmart, so I'll show you that here in a bit. Okay, then I got this Fix All adhesive, and I should pick up another one because a lot of the projects use this here, and they say it's really, really good. So I got that, and then I got the reindeer moss, which is something apparently is hard to keep in stock, at least in the Dollar Trees that I've gone to. I grabbed 2, and I probably should have grabbed more. And this, I only found this because the lady was just stocking it. And she told me it goes fast. So I'm starting to learn what really goes fast. I also found the flexible tie, and basically it's in the floral department, and it's just rubbery. And it's flexible, and you can tie things with, and I needed that for a different project. Oh, this is something I was very excited. This is done in a lot of the projects. This is the nautical rope. All the Dollar Trees I went to, except for one, had them. And I think it's the same lady that stocked that up in that same Dollar Tree. So I got 3. Oops, I got 3 of those. So I got that. I found these. I hadn't seen them. Again, it was with the lady that was just stocking all of that stuff. And they're just these. Now I got the small ones, but they had bigger sizes, and I might go back and pick that up. I see a lot of people do some DIYs, and I really like this. I have these throughout my house, but I don't have this size, so that's why I picked up the small one. But it's a really good little pieces to put, you know, especially if you do like succulents and things like that. Oh, I picked up these 2 candle holders. This is the only box they had and the only color they had, but a lot of DIYers use it as a sort of stand for a lot of the stuff that they glue. I found the cotton twine rope, or twine, so I picked up 1 roll. Ribbons, I was very excited to have found these. This is a lace one. This is yeah, lace ribbon. So I got 1 because that's the only one they had, and only in one Dollar Tree. And then I got the jute cord, which I'm going to need more. This lady, oh my God, she got a pot, guys. She wrapped this around, and then she did a layer of pearls, and then she wrapped it around a pot. And then she made this gorgeous bouquet. Oh, it was beautiful. I'm getting overwhelmed. But anyway, I just picked up 2 for now because I'm not going to be working on anything like that. I want to get my Mother's Day stuff done first. And then I got this, this is the burlap ribbon, and it's with the black polka dots. And this is the one I'm really excited to have found. This is the one with the lace, and I got 2. And the lady was just putting these out, and I grabbed 2 of these. So I got that, and then I picked up this project is after my Mother's Day. I'm going to work on this one because when I saw it, I knew I had to try it. But I needed 2 of these, and I need the candlesticks that they have there, but they have none. I just really think that because of Mother's Day that people are grabbing all these things, you know, but I'm pretty sure once Mother's Day is over, they'll probably stock up or have some. But I got these because I'll be needing this, and this is going to, up here is going to be the bird's nest. So I'll just leave it at that. And then I got this one here. I found this one here, and I got a white one. And I did get, I got two of these. And then I got a green one for my room, for my bathroom, that I'll be doing something with. But the one I'm going to be working on next after the project with my mom is the bird one. I'm just so excited about that. And that was everything that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Now, to help me with some of these projects, I had to find this one. I had never heard of this glue, but it's essential for crafters, and it's the E6000 glue. And they say this stuff is amazing. The only thing with this one here is that you do have to wait at least 6 hours to 8 hours, preferably 24 hours, depending on the job you're doing, for it to dry. That's why a lot of people use the glue gun, which is fine, but for more sturdier stuff that you really don't want it to come crashing down on you, you have to use something like that and wait for it to really dry. So okay, it gets hot on me, guys, so I had to let it cool down. Okay, I'm almost done though. I'm almost done. The other thing I picked up was the Gorilla glue sticks, and they were really recommending these. I do have just, I don't know where I got them, just some generic glue sticks, but I don't have very many anyway, so I wanted to get more, and they were saying that these are awesome. I got these at, I'm doing Walmart now. Did I tell you that? I'm not sure, but I'm doing Walmart now. So this is from Walmart. Yeah, this is from Walmart. Did I show you anything else from Walmart? I don't think so. But anyway, I got these Gorilla Glue sticks. They say these are really, really, really good. I want to make sure. Oh, the E6000. That was from Walmart. Okay, this one here. That was from Walmart. I'm not sure if I said that because I'm finished with the Dollar Tree. Okay, and then I got the Waverly Chalk Plaster Acrylic Paint, and this is just chalk paint. Is it chalk? Yeah, that's what I needed. So I got this one. I got the bigger size in this one here. And then I needed a black one for the project that I'm going to be doing for my mom. This is the matte acrylic paint, and just black, and this is from Apple Barrel. So I got that one there. And then this one here I just wanted to try. It's called Folk Art Trusted Quality Vintage White. And this is also matte finish acrylic paint. Vintage white. I will be getting some more colors, but right now the one I really need is this black one. Also, I was hoping to have found these at the Dollar Tree, but they did not have any, and all three were gone and out. So I needed these sort of these rhinestones, and these are 4 in a roll. But I know the Dollar Tree has them, and they were gone, all gone. But I think it's two rows, I think. I'm not sure. But I also needed this, and Dollar Tree did not have them. I know it's from Jot, I believe, is the brand that they carry. But I just picked it up at Walmart, and it's the gemstones. So I got these here because I needed that to bling out my mom's thing. So I got that sheet. And then I will be needing some round dowels, but not for my mom's project, for another project. They do have them at the Dollar Tree. But when I saw them, I didn't pick them up. And then when I went to the other Dollar Tree, they didn't have any. So I just got them at Walmart, but this is for another project. And then finally, I just picked up a loofah sponge for my son, Aiden, my high schooler. He needed a new one. And that's it, guys. That is everything. That is everything. I've got a couple of things for different projects, but mainly right now I'm going to work on the one for my mom for Mother's Day. Should be 2 items if I can complete everything I need. I'm hoping, my husband's out of town today, and I told him where the Dollar Trees are, and if he can please hit them and see if he can find them. I sent him a picture of everything that I needed. There's only a couple more things, and I'm hoping that he can grab them for me. And then after that, I will be working on the little bird project. If I have a picture of that, I will place it somewhere here so you can get an idea of what I'm going to be doing. I don't want to do the one for my mom, and I don't want to put the link from the lady that I saw, only because I know she watches my videos. So, I mean, she's getting an idea, but if she watches, she's getting an idea, huh, Mom? But she doesn't know. She doesn't know how to look. So anyways, my friends, that is it. That was all that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this big haul. If you guys are DIYs, especially from the Dollar Tree, please let me know. Let me know. I will check out your channel if I'm not subscribed. I just started subscribing to a bunch of YouTubers that do these things from the Dollar Tree. So if you are one of them, let me know and I will check you out. Okay, my friends, that's it. I will see you all in my next Dollar Tree haul. Okay, see you later. Bye. And I will show you if it comes out okay, if it turned out good, I will come and show you. Well, I'll show you anyway, whether it came out good or not. All right, my friends, I'll see you soon. Bye.